Thank you for your interest in Panic Button. If you head over to altogether.com, you'll find out where to obtain the full version of the film, along with plenty more downloads and even a bit of cyber mischief, should you wish to play along. Thank you for your support.
Right, tell us what's happening.
So here we are, Dunfold airstrip. We're doing doing a limo scene. We've got Happy Zoe. Here he is. And then we've got this.
We've got a chat.
This is cameraman. Let's get them hands in. Sexy. Prick.
We all hide behind usernames, behind our avatars, but everywhere you go, everything you watch, download, upload, do and say online is logged and stored. A trail of information, freely available to those who want it. In fact, I'm looking at readouts of every single website you have all visited over the last few months, and it makes for surprising reading.
Bollocks. You can't see that shit. Data Protection Act, mate.
Shall we see how well protected it is? Dave, just 2 days ago you visited a site hosted in Japan. The contents of this streaming videos were depraved and despicable. Some of your favorite titles include 2 Girls and a Horse, Too Young to Run, Bukake Prom 4. Shall I go on?
I didn't.
Did you consider the ages of the girls in the videos, Dave? Did you think about that at all, or did you watch them because of that?
It's the fucking internet, mate. It's the World Wide Web. And in the privacy of my own house, I can look at whatever I fucking like. I'm not a fucking pervert, all right? Max, you look at porn, right?
Don't bring me into this, mate.
Oh, jeez, no, I'm the fucking... You definitely do.
You don't even know me.
Bollocks! We've all looked at shit that we shouldn't have done in the past. All of us, we've all... And any of us who says that we haven't is a fucking liar.
What's the plan now, Dad?
Plan is to grab somebody like Mr. Dicko, but he's obviously a bit busy too.
There's a good photo for your website.
Is that going to hurt?
Go on. Get this on. Ready?
Yeah. Oh! Did it actually?
Big win.
I bet you've been dying to do that, haven't you? For weeks.
Sit down. It's time for you to take someone else's advice for once, Gwen, so I suggest you listen closely. They say that being burned alive is an agonizing death.
Stop, please! Stop, please!
I will let her live only if you manage to complete one simple little task.